Good afternoon. It is day 51. My word, we're on the second half of the century. What we can see is a blooming empty building. It's almost unrecognisable. So, been through, cleaned up, sorted out my tools and stuff. Got everything back into the house, and I have been over this place with the Hoover, with the broom and then the Hoover. So we're back to clean floorboards. So now all I need to do is move this cable, doodly-doo, up through there, and then it's going in through this. It's going up here and then in through this hole. I need to make that off and put the whatchamacallit on it, gland on it, so it can go in there and be powered. And then obviously I can cleat it to the wall there when I'm happy with the final position, etc. But I don't need all this cable for that. Probably need, say, to about there. But I'm going to leave all of that attached. But that makes a problem. What am I going to do about the plasterboard? Because the plasterboard today is going there. In fact, I haven't even thought about it. A little bit of it will be on show. Well, it's a good thing I talked to you today, because I wouldn't have thought about that. Yeah, this is going to be vaguely on show. I think what I might have to do is just have a little bump there of it shown, and then we just paint the cable. That's a shame, but it's good that you pointed it out to me. Thank you, internet. Yeah, so I'll get some tape around these in a second, get those locked off again, and then I can start plasterboarding. So that's where we're at, that's where we're going, and that's the last hurdle to jump. I cannot believe we're at this point. Anomalous data point, sorry to call you out by name. Yes, I am super glad with where I'm at. I'm so proud of you for making it through your digging. 10 days is a lot of digging, especially since, you're doing the post thing. Oh, actually, no, I suppose that's probably a bit easier than doing the rod system dig, because you're just digging one small spot. You're not going down 40, 60 centimetres in huge big blocks like I did. So, yeah, but I'm sure you can really agree that is miserable as a job. What I can tell you, though, is congratulations, you've done the hardest bit. It really is the hardest bit. The rest of it is genuinely so much fun compared to that. So keep plugging. Big congratulations to you for getting through the digging. I cannot wait until you're at this point. I'd love it if you'd put some of your own stuff up. Just so I can see what you're doing. So I need to go around now and take pictures of these heights. And I'm going to draw on the floor and the roof a line for each of the... big marker. A line for each of the sockets. An alright socket, and then a line for each of the uprights, and I'll do that on the ceiling as well, so that I know exactly where I can and can't screw for the plasterboards. Then I'll start varying them in. I think I'll probably only bring them in one at a time, because I don't think my missus can be able to help me, so ferrying them all back and forth between the garage and here is going to be a nightmare on my own, and then they're just going to be in the way. So I'll probably do them one by one, which might make it take a tiny bit longer, but it will be less effort and less messing around in here. So we'll see how it goes, but yes, I'll get all those lines drawn, and I'll probably not bother... actually, do you know what? I'll probably write down the... No. I'm just going to take pictures of all of the measurement heights. I'll let you know if that's a good idea or a bad idea, or if I should have drawn on the floor where things are. a bit better. But yeah, I'll take pictures and mark the sockets and stuff and the uprights. So thank you very much for watching. Chuck us a like for getting the clean up done, because that is a brutal step that, you know, most people clean as they go, but I make messes as I go. Yeah, chuck us a subscribe if you're actually enjoying it, and leave me a comment knowing what you're thinking. Let me know if there's anything else you want to know about this before all the plasterboard is up, because I'm running out of things to show you. But hopefully I have made everything clear what's been done so far. Oh, that's one extra little bit that I picked up from one of Liam Griffin's videos from Oakwood Garden Rooms. So everywhere where I've passed it through the wall, I've just bored it out. For here, where the radiator's going on, although I put through this pull cable for myself, so that I can attach it here and then just pull it through. And I did practice with the actual radiator passing it through. I just thought, you know what, that's going to be such a bugger to get through anyway. I just used the multi-tool and just cut out this small section here. And yeah, that just lifted straight out. One tiny nick on the casing of this one, but didn't even make it halfway through, so it's just a scratch, so absolutely nothing to worry about. So yeah, that'll make it a lot easier when I go to put the radiator through this hole, the cable, sorry, for the radiator through this hole, because I don't want any wire showing for it. Why go to all these extremes to hide wires and then leave one showing? He said, just realising about that one, but that can't be avoided. Right, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon.